Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App failed for my protection. So let's get into the video. So if you have issues with payment issues on Cash App, so some of the tips that you can try to fix this up is for example, when you open up your Cash App, so when you open up your Cash App, and just make sure that both your account and the receiver account have no issues, are both genuine and you have sufficient funds, especially on your receiver's account. Just make sure there's no scammers or anything. It's a genuine account and this probably there's no issues at all, so that will affect your payment transaction. And apart from that, if you go to your profile here on your top right, so click on your top right, and then you scroll down, you'll see security and privacy option here. Click on security and privacy option, scroll down, and you'll see under identity verification, make sure that your identity has been verified, because this will affect your transaction if you have not verified your identity. So if you have not done so, just click on verify and then complete the process. And also, if you're still having issues, what you can do, you can always scroll down and then go to this support section here. And then when you get to the support section here, and then underneath you'll see a chat option. You can simply click on it and chat with the customer support team to rectify your issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.